Hello friends, welcome to 5-in-1 Bhasha Zone. Get access to 5 different languages through English. Become a polyglot by practicing persistently and speaking fluently. And today we're gonna learn alphabets with its pronunciation for better understanding. Come on, let's learn. Alphabets, vowels and consonants. In Hindi, alphabets are called Varnamala, consonants are called Vyanjan, and vowels are called Swar. Hindi vowels, Hindi Swaram. Hindi vowels has 13 alphabets, such as sounds like American, affection, anil, anemia. Africa, Aztec, argan. Image, India, eagle, easy. English, idli, email. Pull, put, uti. Room, cool, oops. Remote, real. April, great, bread. Drain, Aishwarya, aid. Home, calm, chrome, Obama. Owl, Aurangabad, Aurangzeb. Uncle, umbrella, under. Aha. Hindi consonants, Hindi Vyanjana. Hindi consonants has 36 alphabets which are mentioned in Devanagari script. Curtain, bank, cupboard. Khan, lack. Jug, mug, gum. Ghost, ghee, gharry. Sound of accent rarely used. Chunk, champak. Chhattisgarh, Chhatrapati. Justin K, jung. Jharkhand. Sound of gn rarely used. Cat, mat, truck. Thanda, which means cold in Hindi. Mad, bad, done. Dakha, dolak. No English equivalent for this alphabet. Tamil Nadu, Tehran. Thermal bath. Baghdad. Dharma, Jodhpur. Man, name, cane. Map, cap, plum. If, for, fun. Mob, bulb, bus. Abur, bhakshi. Mud, margin, merge. My, yes, ya. Run, rush, ram. Ball, luck, lamp. Work, warm, wall. Shirt, shut, shame. Shirt, shut, shame. Sohan, sun. Hug, herd, heart. Akshay, Trishul, Gya. No English word for GYN. In Telugu, alphabets are called Aksharalu. Vowels are called Achalu and consonants are called Hallulu. Below are the consonants with pronunciation examples of how those alphabets would sound if you place them in a word. K as in king, ch as in chat, t as in tool, th as in thunder, p as in pool, y as in you, s as in sweet, k as in Scottish lodge, ch as in charm, th as in that, th as in thought, think, p as in stop her, r as in rooster, s as in soul, cell, g as in game, j as in joy, jovial, d as in door, da as in day, dawn, b as in baby, l as in life, s as in sweet, g as in Ghana, j as in bridge hop, dh as in speed hump, b as in bulb holder, v as in vast, r as in rainbow, n as in noon, n as in New York, n as in nice, n as in night, ma as in map, L as in life, H as in home. Now vowels, Alabama, E, ink, U, put, R, rabbit, L, line, A, egg, I, high, O, U, tool, A, mat, E, tea, W, wool, ring, La, last, A, rest, O, pot, Ow, how. In Tamil, alphabets are called எழுத்துக்கள், vowels are called உயிரெழுத்துக்கள், and consonants are called மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள். Consonants: ik, kit, ing, noon, it, chalk, in, canyon, it, toy, in, news, it, throw, in, thunder, if, pool, im, man, you, ir, rabbit, ill, lion, if, very, ir. There is no English equivalent for this alphabet. Ill, look, ir, room, in, night, ish, show, ish, joke, ish, flourish, is, small, high, ish, akshay. Vowels: apple, father, e, tip, e, deep, u, bull, u, moon, a, elephant, a, whale, I, thigh, o, opera, o, owl, ow, bowl. Combine letters: k, ik plus a, k, cat, ka, ik plus a, ka, cow, ki, ik plus e, ki, kid, ki, ik plus e, ki, kiwi, ku, ik plus u, ku, kung fu, ku, ik plus u, ku, cooler, k, ik plus a, k, kept, k, ik plus a, k, kale, kai, ik plus I, kai, Cairo, ko, ik plus o, ko, Congo, ko, ik plus o, ko, Congo, ko, ik plus o, ko, coast, cow, ik plus ow, cow, coward. In French, alphabets are called l'alphabet, vowels are called les voyelles, and consonants are called les consonnes. Let us learn the French alphabets with French pronunciation. A, B, C, D, U, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Vowels: E, V, these, stylo. A, fait, était, danser, joue, parti है. A, celle, tête, terce, joue, parti है. A, gare, ami, là. U, vous, je, une, nous, tu, suc. E, le, vous, fou, veulent, seul, professeur. Ou, du, vous, ou, nous. O, faux, métro, bientôt, beau. O, homme, pot, seul, pomme. A, bas, la, pâte. Le, samedi. Below are the consonants with French pronunciation examples of how those alphabets would sound if you place them in a word. P, plage, public. B, bon, bêtise, bateau. T, terre, sottise, thé. D, dîner, dimanche. K, coup, carreau, coup. G, gare, gant, galois. F, fric, pharmacie, fossé. V, vous, avion. L, loup, lait, mille. S, sac, 60, souris. Z, zoo, visage, geese. Chat, chinois, shot. J, japonais, génial. M, mêlée, magasin. N, nous, nez. N, agneau, poignet. Camping, smoking. R, ahoy, ahouche. Chinese characters are a type of logogram, which are written symbols that represent words instead of sounds. Most earlier Chinese characters were pictographs, which are simple pictures used to mean some kind of thing or idea. Chinese characters also called Hanzi. Pinyin is a romanization of the Chinese characters based on their pronunciation. The Pinyin system uses the same ABCs that English speakers use, and the Chuyin system uses its own symbols. In Chinese, Pop, Her, Mo, Fo are the first four of the conventional ordering of available syllables. Okay, let's learn the Pinyin and Chuyin with English equivalents. B, big, pa. P, put, pa. M, make, ma. F, fan, fang. G, girl, ge. K, kill, tan. H, hot, how. J, jail, chi. Q, church, shoe. X, shoot, shue. Z, beds. S, ZH, gem, chow. C, rats, s. CH, cheap, cha. D, dog, tongue. T, teach, tongue. N, name, na. L, little, lean. NG, ring, mean. Y, you, yow. R, rain, low. S, sun, s. Previous one was consonants. Now what you're going to see is vowels. Let's get started. Ai, like, pie. Ao, now, thou. Ei, may. Ia, yard, che. Ian, yen, chien. Iang, yang, xiang. Iao, yo, chiao. Ie, yes, xie. Iong, jang, xiong. Iu, yok, chow. Woyu, window, mao. Uye, va, hua. Ui, why, why. UAN, wonderful, yen. UAN after J, Q, X or Y, when, chuen. UANG, swung, huang. UE, yuet, ye. UI, way, tway. UO, wardrobe, hua. Thank you for watching, and do follow 5-in-1 Bhasha Zone in Facebook and Instagram and make your learning even more interesting.